Superman! No need to thank us, sir, as we will not appreciate it. We have no consciousness whatsoever. Merely automatons here to serve.
Four. What happened?
I tried to protect Superman.
How did Lucy get in there? It's keyed into my DNA.
Must protect Superman.
Four.
I'm sorry for Ray.
Fotografia твоя